Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert. Today we take a deep dive into one of the most exhilarating superbikes of 2025, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1000. $100 renowned for its race-inspired performance, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and class-leading electronics, the latest RSV4 Factory raises the bar once again. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a die-hard Aprilia fan, this bike promises to deliver an unmatched riding experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 lies the legendary 1999cc V4 engine, producing an astonishing 217 horsepower at 1,300 RPM. The engine benefits from improved internal components, ensuring greater efficiency and durability. Aprilia has also fine-tuned the titanium Akrapovic exhaust system, which not only enhances performance, but also provides a spine-tingling exhaust note. The revamped ECU ensures precise throttle response, and a revised quick shifter delivers seamless gear changes. Whether accelerating out of corners or blasting down straightaways, the RSV4 Factory 1100 offers relentless power that feels almost limitless. Chassis and handling. Aprilia has always been at the forefront of superbike chassis technology, and the 2025 RSV4 Factory is no exception. The twin-spar aluminum frame is lighter and stiffer, improving agility without compromising stability. The Öhlins Smart EC2 semi-ejective suspension dynamically adjusts damping based on riding conditions, providing unparalleled cornering confidence. Braking performance is top-tier thanks to Brembo-Sidley calipers paired with 330mm dual front discs. The bike also features a lighter swing arm, enhancing traction and feedback, making it a dream to ride on both track and twisty roads. Aerodynamics and design. The 2025 RSV4 Factory features an even more aggressive aerodynamic package. Aprilia has refined the integrated winglets, increasing downforce and reducing front-end lift at high speeds. The updated LED headlight design with cornering function enhances visibility, while the sculpted fuel tank improves rider ergonomics. The bike is available in stunning new color schemes, including the eye-catching Ultra Dark Edition and the RSV4 Factory Racing livery. Every detail, from the carbon fiber accents to the premium seat materials, screams high-performance engineering. Electronics and rider aids. Aprilia's APR Key Performance Ride Control system has received a major upgrade. The bike comes with a 6-axis IMU, offering advanced traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and cornering ABS. Riders can choose from multiple riding modes, including track, race, sport, and custom, allowing for personalized setups. The full-color TFT display is now larger and offers improved navigation through settings, while Bluetooth connectivity allows integration with the Aprilia MIA app for real-time telemetry and ride analysis. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its track-focused DNA, Aprilia has made the RSV4 Factory slightly more comfortable. The adjustable foot pegs, redesigned seat, and revised handlebar position reduce rider fatigue, making it more suitable for extended rides. Final thoughts. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is a masterpiece of performance, technology, and design. Whether you're pushing the limits on a racetrack or carving through mountain roads, this bike delivers a ride like no other. Aprilia has once again solidified its position as a leader in the